Welcome back to Searching Academic Search Premier at Emporia State University. This is part 2. Last time we looked at accessing Academic Search Premier using the library homepage, conducting a basic search, and examining bibliographic records. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct an advanced search using Academic Search Premier, refine our results, look at ways of citing our sources, and also a quick tip on searching multiple databases. I'm going to go ahead and hop right into Academic Search Premier. Just a reminder, you can get there by going to library.emporia.edu and selecting Find a Database. When you're searching Academic Search Premier or any of the EBSCO host databases, it's going to show you the basic search string. When you're searching Academic Search Premier or any of the EBSCO databases, it's going to show you the basic search screen. We can have greater control of our results by selecting the advanced search option and using some of the advanced search tools provided for us. Going back to my initial search, I'm interested in the impact of Facebook on education. Once I've typed those into the search fields, I have greater options over where precisely it's going to search. Academic Search Premier defaults to keyword searches for everything you put in, which means it's going to search every part of every field in the database. I can limit these results by selecting what specific field I want to search in. For instance, if I know that Facebook is very important, it's probably going to be in the title of the article, so I could select that field. Down here, I get other options for searching. I can limit my results initially by full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. I can also limit by publication type, so if I wanted, for instance, an educational report or a book, I could do that. Once I've conducted my search, I have a few more options over here on the left-hand column to refine my results. For instance, I could limit it to full text or scholarly peer-reviewed journals. I can also limit by publication date. For instance, if I only wanted to look at the last 5 years of publications on this particular topic, I can select this slider and adjust accordingly. Once I've found a result that looks good, I have a few different options for managing this information. When the full text is available as a PDF, I can go ahead and save the full text to a flash drive or to my computer. I also have a number of tools over here on the right-hand side of the screen, allowing me to quickly print the article, email it to myself, save things, and I can also cite it. When I select a cite tool, it's going to give me a whole bunch of different options for just about every citation style you can think of. One thing you'll want to remember for these citation format tools is that they are machine generated, and oftentimes you need to use them as a rough draft. Be sure to double check your citations because they're wrong just as much as they are right, and it's up to you to go through and fix those. One other useful option for searching are the subject terms here. For instance, if I wanted to broaden my search by subject, I could look at Internet in Education, and I can use that subject term to find every article in the database with that specific subject heading. They're assigned by humans in order to efficiently tag and then later go back and find articles on a particular topic. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see some of the different subject terms available to you when you're doing a search. One other tool that is particularly useful for EBSCO databases is up here at the top. You can choose databases. When I select Choose Databases, it shows you every database that the Emporia State University Library subscribes to. I could then go through and search multiple databases at the same time. For instance, since I'm looking at Facebook and education, I might also want to check Education Abstracts, which has different coverage than Academic Search Premier. Now that I've selected that, I'm now going to be able to search Academic Search Premier and Education Abstracts at the same time. That's it for Academic Search Premier. If you need more help, you can call us, email us, or chat with us, all at library.emporia.edu.